What's going on, traders? Hope you had a great, blessed day. Hope you were green. Hope you made money. This is one of the wildest days that we have ever seen in the stock market. I've been trading for way over 10 years. I don't think I've ever seen a day like this. So this is why we're here, to make money, to be able to get the 3 times, 4 times, 10 times, 20 times, 40 times returns on our money, because that's why we play the game. So wanted to break down a few stocks. Let's get right into it. The play of the day, SPI. SPI is the play of the day because what happened? It went for a 4,000%, over a 4,000% return. So basically, you put in $100 and you come out with 4,000. I mean, it just doesn't get any easier than that. You put in 1,000, you come out with 40,000. So real quick, the 5 steps to trading. What are they? What are the 5 steps to trading? Number 1, a catalyst. Number 2, a hot sector. What industry is the company in? Number 3, looking and monitoring the volume. Number 4, research. What is the company? What's the history? What's the float? And number 5, defining and seeing support and resistance to execute your entries and your exit. So SPI, what happened? What's the catalyst? Let's take a look. At 7 o'clock in the morning, they decide to release a PR that says they are starting or launching a new electric vehicle company subsidiary. What does that mean? They are trying to be the next Tesla. They're trying to be the next big electric vehicle thing, especially when California just declared that no gas vehicles can be sold after 2030 or something to that effect. They're drastically reducing electric vehicles. So what does that mean? Okay, so let's compare this. Tesla is worth how many billions? Let's research Tesla and see how much Tesla's worth. Let's see. Tesla is worth almost $500 billion. 354 billion. So $0.3 trillion. That's what Tesla's worth. Now, if you're looking at a company that is worth 207 million, 207 million versus 0.35 trillion. Okay, they're about to get in the same industry and do the exact same thing as a $300 billion company. So what do you think that's going to do for the stock? It's going to send it up like a rocket. So real quick, we looked at this, we saw this pop, we saw this alert. Now, one thing you have to understand, when a stock runs big pre-market, when it breaks pre-market highs, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and draw the trend lines. This will be a little longer educational video, but you'll get a lot out of it. When a stock runs like this, okay, and you see a huge pop from 90 cents all the way up to $3 and then the $4, it forms some support and resistance. So do you see how this stock tries to go to $4? Tried to go to $4. Tried to go to $4 again and couldn't quite break. Once it consolidates, you can bet your last dollar. Once it consolidates and it breaks the previous high that it couldn't break because of resistance, when it finally does, it's going to shoot out. Now, keep in mind it's going to retrace a little bit. So don't panic when the stock goes back to where the resistance was, because remember, now resistance is support. So now I can't get below $4. And then the next thing you know, we had an alert set at 511. We did not enter in a position because we thought it was too high. So it goes to $9. So now you're doubling your money. You're up 100% right there. Okay. From already the stock being up 500%. So let's zoom out and see what else it does. Now, we're at $12. Again, support and resistance. The stock did not want to go below a certain resistance level. The stock was channeling between $12 and $10, 12 to 10, 12 to 10. So when it finally breaks out, again, support becomes resistance. Now you have a springboard. The support becomes a springboard for an explosive move upwards. Okay. Now, what is causing this? Okay. We talked about the catalyst. They opened up a brand new electric vehicle subsidiary. 2, it's a hot sector. Electric vehicle sector, energy, solar power, all of that is going nuts. Okay. Now, what's the third key to trading? Volume. Volume. The volume on this is bananas. It goes from 64,000 in volume to 1 million in volume right out the gate, to 14 million in volume. Okay, to 5 million in volume. Back up to 6, back up to 7. Another $7 million volume bar. Another $7 million volume bar. And with each volume bar, there's less selling. So it's pure buying. That's why it made such a move up. Now, again, all you have to do is trace the volume. Trace the volume. You see the volume goes up, the price moves up. The volume kind of slacks off. And then boom, it makes another explosive move up from here to here. What does it do? It tapers down as the volume tapers down. Okay. The next thing you know, what has to happen before it makes another run? Another volume spike. You see another volume spike from here to here. Okay. When the volume dies down a little bit, there's so much volume and so much buying that guess what? It's still not going anywhere, even when the volume goes down. So it starts at 97 cents yesterday. It goes to 46 cents, $46.67. Wouldn't you like to be in that? You can be patient in this market. This is a life changer. This is something that you can buy and capitalize off of and make your whole month, make your whole year. Maybe even make, if you have enough size, enough money invested, make your whole decade. Okay, so of course when the volume dies out, what happens? It goes from here to here. Okay, and you can pretty much call this the walk of death because it's not coming back from this. At least it's not going to in that trading day. So we missed this, but we did get in SUNW. Okay, now sympathy. We call a sympathy play, meaning a competitor or a like business or a like stock starts to run based off another stock running. So just like Nike reported yesterday, Under Armour ran because Nike beat. So of course, if Nike is selling a lot of clothes and shoes and apparel, then most of the other athletic brands are going to be doing the same thing. So same thing here. We're talking about electric vehicle. We're talking about a power play. Right now we got in around $1. Actually, we got in at $1.10. So before this took off, again, look at the support and resistance. Look at the levels that this stock is trying to break but can't. Okay. All right. So you see this stock, it pulls back, tries to run up again to the dollar level, pulls back again, tries to run up, and this time with this volume bar, it breaks. Now, again, we got in around $1. It's ran to $4. So we got a 450% return on our investment. Okay, four times our investment. So you have to take profits. You can take profits here. 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 You better be taking profits here because somebody else will take profits for you. So this was a wild day. Hope you had a great trading day. Please like, please subscribe, please share these videos. They're free. They're for your educational purposes. We do offer coaching. You can email me. You can text. Invest $20 into your future. Save you $2,000. Make you $2,000. and hope everybody has a blessed day.